This fully funded scholarship is open to all international students pursuing their bachelor's degree in the United Arab Emirates, and there is no application fees, and you do not need a separate application. So you will be considered automatically once you send in your application for studies. This particular scholarship has various tiers for international students. So depending on your academic merits, there will be something for you. I'll be going through all the necessary things you need to know to enable you submit a successful application. So please consider watching this video till the end to maximize every
Hi, my
benefit.
name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends.
So they have three tiers for international students. The first tier will be covering your full tuition fees and textbooks will be provided by the university. And the second tier is going to be a partial fee waiver of the tuition fee. So there's going to be a 75% fee waiver if you're in the College of Arts and Sciences and a 50% fee waiver for College of Medicine. Also, textbooks will be provided by the university. And for the third tier, textbooks will be provided by the university only. This particular university is the Khalifa University in the United Arab Emirates. And here you can see the undergraduate admission. It says admission for the spring 2024 term are now open until Friday, the 8th of December 2023. They also have graduate admission in case you're interested in master's and PhD scholarship as well. Application is also open and I have made a comprehensive video about it. I'm going to be linking it up here in case you've not seen the video. So let's click on this link for admission requirements. To successfully submit your application at this university, you must follow these steps. The first step is to select your program that you want to study, and here you click on these undergraduate programs. And these are the programs offered at this university. So basically, they have College of Engineering and College of Arts and Sciences. And for the College of Engineering, they have Bachelors in Aerospace Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Engineering, Computer Science, Electrical Engineering, Industrial and Systems Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and Bachelors in Petroleum Engineering. If you're interested in the College of Arts and Sciences, they also have Bachelors in Chemistry, Applied Mathematics and Statistics, Bachelor of Science in Physics, Bachelor of Science in Earth and Planetary Sciences, as well as in Cell and Molecular Biology. And these are the list of minors as well. You can click on any of these links to explore the degree programs. Feel free to drop in the comment section below your course of study to enable me incorporate it in my next video. And the step 2 is to know the application deadline. And importantly, it states here that international applicants who graduated from high school up to 2 years, including students transferring from other universities, are still eligible to apply. And the admission for the spring term 2024 is already open, and you have until December 8, 2023 to send in your application. And the step 3 is to review the admission requirements. So this is very important. As an international student, you'll be needing the following. Importantly, you'll be needing a proof of English language proficiency certificate, either IELTS or TOEFL. Basically, you'll be needing the following documents: a completed Khalifa University online application form, an attested copy of your high school certificates, a TOEFL or IELTS certificate. You also need a good conduct certificate, as well as a copy of your passport name page and a passport size photograph. And after you might have submitted your application, there's going to be a personal interview, and it says all students must participate in a personal interview conducted by Khalifa University Admission Committee. So you can prepare yourself well in advance for this interview. You'll be assessed based on your ability to communicate in English, familiarity with the relevant profession, commitment to pursue a professional degree program, reasons for wanting to attend Khalifa University, as well as potential leadership capabilities in the United Arab Emirates. And the step 4 is to review the scholarship for the undergraduate students. So let's click on this link to explore it more. So for you to be eligible for this scholarship, you must be enrolled in an undergraduate program on a full-time basis. And the scholarship eligibility is assessed as part of the admission process, and applicants are not required to submit a separate scholarship application. And you are evaluated based on your academic merits and other relevant factors in line with the Khalifa University strategic priorities their rules and regulations, as well as meeting the minimum eligibility criteria. And here it says meeting the minimum eligibility criteria does not guarantee a scholarship award. So basically, they will consider you based on academic merits and what they think is their strategic priorities and their rules and regulations. So you can take your time and explore the website to understand more about the university. And as we already saw earlier, these are the scholarship benefits here, and these are in 3 tiers. An important information I would like you to take out from this video is that for more information about available scholarship for undergraduate students, you can email this particular address here in case you're interested in more scholarships. You can write to this email address and they will give you more information if there is any other available scholarships that you could take advantage of. And the step 5 is, of course, to submit your application. We're going to click on this link now. And it brings us to this page where you're going to be submitting your application. If you're a first-time user, you click on create an account. Otherwise, you click on login and enter your email and password and submit your application, which is, of course, free of charge. And thereafter, you can read about what happens after your application. So I would encourage you to go through this particular page to understand everything about how they evaluate your application and how they make their final decisions. And as always, I would encourage you to click on the frequently asked questions. It has tons of information covered here to enable you understand everything you need to know about Khalifa University and how to prepare best to submit the application and win the scholarship. And one of the important questions is, when are the final decisions made? After submitting your application and doing all the admission procedures, the admission committee will review your application within 3 to 6 weeks and update you. And this is another important question regarding interview. How can I book for the interview? The admission personal interview is now included as a recorded video as part of the online application form. You can log into the KU online application form, record your video and submit it. So please take notes. I also encourage you to go through the other questions to understand more. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.